In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lead magnet quiz using Typeform and Convertkit. This process is a fantastic way to engage with your audience and gather valuable information. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Typeform. With its user-friendly interface, Typeform makes it easy to create interactive forms and quizzes that will captivate your audience. Start by opening your web browser and visiting Typeform's official website. Once you're on the home page, you'll find the Login option. Click on it to access your account. If you haven't already signed up, you'll want to do that first. But assuming you've got an account, enter your credentials, and you'll be taken directly to your Typeform workspace. This is where all the magic happens. The workspace is where you manage all your forms and quizzes, keeping everything organized. Inside your workspace, you'll see a range of options. Go ahead and select the form you'd like to transform into a lead magnet quiz. If you're starting from scratch, you might want to hit Create a new form to build something original. But for the purpose of this tutorial, selecting an existing template can save you some time and effort. You'll find plenty of templates in the Typeform library that can be customized to fit your needs. Next, with your form selected, look for the options that say Add New Ending. This is a crucial step in making your quiz engaging and reflective of your brand. The ending is what your participants will see after completing the quiz, and it's your chance to thank them, provide results, or offer them a special call to action. Now, click on Choose an Ending Type. This will present you with different styles of endings that you can customize. Maybe you want to tailor an ending that provides direct quiz results, or perhaps you want to redirect them to a landing page. Each ending type has its own unique strengths, so take a moment to consider what will best serve your goals. And there you have it. By following these steps within Typeform, you've successfully set up a lead magnet quiz. The final and equally important part is connecting with Convertkit to ensure that all responses and data flow directly into your marketing system, allowing you to follow up with leads effortlessly. Remember, customization is key. The more personalized your quiz is to your audience, the more likely they are to engage and share their information. Feel free to explore additional features and integrations within Typeform to maximize the impact of your lead magnet. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more insightful content, and I'll see you in the next video.